Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. I'm now going to go over how you change the needle in your sewing machine. It's very important you change the needles frequently because they do dull and can cause your machine to go clunk, 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 and you may not get the best stitches. All right, let's get started. To remove the existing needle, go and unscrew it. The screw is on your right-hand side. And as you loosen it, it will come out. There are two sides to the needle. There is a flat side, which is the section that faces the very back of the machine, and then there is the curved side, which faces you or the front of the machine. It might be easier to insert the new needle by removing the presser foot from the machine and set it aside. Take your needle, and again, the flat side goes towards the back of the machine, and insert it in. Holding it with your left hand, begin to screw it in. To make sure it's tight, you might need to use a screwdriver to permanently lock it in place. The size of the needle I recommend you use for your everyday sewing is size 90-14. It doesn't matter which brand, but this particular brand you can find on Amazon.com. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that it took out any of the confusion that you have about needles. There are many different types of needles. Each fabric requires their own type of needle. I will cover different needles in future tutorials. If you're interested in beginners sewing projects, I will have links listed below your YouTube screen. I will also have links to my sewing tips of the week, which come out every Wednesday. They're very informative and very educational. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and check out my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and happy sewing. If you like the Sewing Room channel, one of the best ways to show your support is to subscribe by clicking on that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. And make sure you click on the bell so you receive notifications for all my new videos. I'm Cheryl. This is Manny. See you next time.